All the entities of the universe, from a galaxy to a cell, share a feature that makes them exist: evolution. Because the only constant is change. Any entity fighting its own transformation and those of its environment is doomed to extinction. In the same way, every human organization that has achieved success and preserved it over time has been an active agent of that evolution. And in our hyper-connected and detailed society, those that better adapt to new challenges in development and project management are the ones who write history. In Smarter Solutions, development isn't just a service. It is our way to empower your adaptation to the most demanding scenarios, so you can reach the highest level of evolution. May others be extinguished. Come to us and develop your supremacy. Smarter Solutions, the art of development.